Let us talk about whether we need feature scaling in linear regression or not. The answer to this question is yes, we need to perform feature scaling when we are using gradient descent to find the best fit line. And why I am saying line is because we are performing linear regression in which the model is a line. So the next question that comes to mind is, why do we need feature scaling in linear regression? So the first reason is there is a direct impact of feature scaling on gradient descent. Optimization process could become inefficient if the features are on different scales. Some features which are on bigger scales, they might dominate the gradient, which might lead to small updates in coefficients for the features which have smaller scales. But if we apply feature scaling, then all the features would come to the same scale and all the features would contribute equally to the gradient update, and this would lead to faster and more stable convergence. Next reason is that it helps in understanding the relative importance of features with one another. And the last reason is feature scaling becomes more important when we are using regularization like L1 regularization or L2 regularization, which are also called as ridge and lasso regularizations. So when we are doing regularization, we add a penalty term to the cost function so that we reduce the overfitting effect, which helps in regularizing. If the features are not scaled, then the penalty might affect different coefficients disproportionately, which could cause inefficiency in the regularization process. So that's why, because of these three reasons, we should always perform feature scaling when we are doing model creation using linear regression. If you know any more reasons why we should be doing feature scaling in linear regression, then please do put them down in the comments below.